Good morning. Good morning, Lucia. No, not good morning. Ate Susan still sleeping. Ayun, oh. Yan, good morning. Good morning, Ate Bewley.
Morning.
Ayan, natulog kami sa sala kasi andito si Ate Bewley. Kahit wala si Ate Bewley, sala pa rin kami natutulog. No, kasi ang danda-danda naman ng baby na ito. Ang ganda-ganda. Kamukha ni Daddy. Where's Daddy? Wow, ang ganda-ganda naman. Good morning, Lutfia. Still sleepy? Diba, Lutfia? Tara, kape tayo.
Coffee.
You want coffee?
Coffee.
Oh, coffee?
Coffee.
Anong gusto mo? Anong gusto mo?
Bread.
Huh?
Bread.
Coffee?
Bread. Bread.
Brad?
2 months old. 2 months. Okay lang yun.
Saan banda? Parang aalaga. Ay, puyatan din. Good morning.
Saka may o.
Oo.
Saka baka may schedule ang tulog.
Oo, baka may schedule. Tanungin mo. Good morning, Latvia. Look at the eyes. Big, big, big eyes. Big, big, big eyes. Good morning. In a good morning, mga friend. Don't do that. You look so ugly. So, ayan, andito na naman si Ate Bewley. Maghahanap na naman ng trabaho. Ayan. Yan, panibagong hanap ng trabaho. Ayan. So, wala kaming ganap. Nasa bahay lang kami.
Check, Mama. Look, Mama. Look, Mama.
Which one? Which one, Twinkle, Twinkle? So, ayan. Since hindi naman ako pinapayagan ng asawa ko mag-live stream, so mag-daily vlog na lang ako kasi wala akong ganap sa bahay. Wala rin naman akong trabaho. Nasa bahay lang whole day. So, ayan, magkakape muna kami. Babangon muna kami. Lutfia. 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 Tingnan mo tong batang to. Hindi na ako pinapansin. Naka-cellphone na. Ang aga-aga, naka-cellphone na. Ayan. Yung isa tulog. Ayun, tulog. Kita nyo yung bahay namin, oh. Mga sis. Nag-drawing. Sabi ba naman, Mama, we will make house beautiful. We will do painting. Ayan. Ang may gawa niya, no? Ayan, ang may gawa. Ayan. Ayan. Sa sala kami natutulog kasi hindi siya malamig. Pag doon kasi sa kwarto, kahit nakabukas yung heater, malamig. Dito, kahit sarado yung heater, hindi naman binubuksan. Mainit siya. Sakto lang yung temperature. Hindi siya malamig, hindi rin mainit. Parang, basta, sakto lang siya. So, ayan. So, babangon na kami magbe-breakfast. Kasi may pupuntahan kami mamaya sa Baana. Hindi ko alam kung pupunta kami ng mall mamaya or pupunta kami sa ng kaibigan ko sa restaurant. So, ayan. Breakfast muna kami. So, ayan, pupunta kami ngayon sa Marmara Park. Bago sa Marmara Park, punta muna kami ng bangko. Mag-open ako ng account. Tapos, andito yung friend ko, si Ate Bewley. Si hi, Ate Bewley. Ang ganda, ganda. Ang ganda ng tabako. Tapos, ayan ang outfit ni Ate Bewley. Ayan.
Katas ng ano?
Tapos, ito sa akin. Ayan. Wow. Tapos, ito si Lutfia.
May lipstick pa.
Lutfia, naka-lipstick. Si Ate Susan din, naka-lipstick.
Miss Universe.
Si Ate Lara. So, ayan, papalis na kami. See you later, guys. Bye. So, yan, papunta na kami ng bangko. Ayan. Tapos after namin, papunta kami ng Marmara Park or hindi ko alam kung Marmara Park or doon muna kay Ate Millet. So, ayan. Suzan! Let's say hi. Puno ka ng lipstick na. Oh.
My daddy.
Hamdi ko, malapit lang dito.
Diba?
Oh.
Tapos,
Oh.
hamdi ko siya.
Tapos, bakit naka... Sige. So, ayan, galing na kami sa bangko at kailangan ng 1,100 lira para sa opening. So, ayan, punta na lang kaming Marmara Park. Magliwaliw kami doon, magsha-shopping. Wala, window lang.
Shopping kami.
So, ayan, see you later, guys. Ayan, sa ate. Si Lupia, si Susan. Susan, say hi.
Hi.
Hi to my vlog. Ay, Diyos ko, ang taba-taba ko na. So, andito na kami sa Marmara Park. Pasok lang kami sa loob. So, ang daming tao. So, ayan, may Mado din dito. Ito yung Carrefour. SA. So, andun si Susan at saka si Lara. Excited na si Susan sa Burger King niya. Ayan. Yes, Burger King. Yeah, Burger King. Yun, may nagpa-hair transplant. Ayun, nagpa-hair transplant yan. Ate, may nagpa-hair transplant oh. Yan dalawa. Nagpa-hair transplant yan galing. Yun no, yung naka-ano, may dalang bandage. Ayan. Oo. We will go to Burger King na. So, ayan. Pasok na kami. Ang daming tao. Susan, you hold tita, Mami B. So, ayan. Ang daming tao. Ayan. Tinatawa. Ang daming sale. Ayan, sale 30% sila. Pati sa LCY Kiki, sale sila. Ang dagal na Mami B. Ang daming tao. Ayan. Susan, wait. Come here. Huh? She's coming back. Huh? She's coming. Oh, Mommy B is there. Mommy B. Huh? Ayan. Lara, ano nangyari? Ha? Bakit? Ha, tamam. Ang daming sale, 50% sa cotton. Ayun din tayo sa dairy mode. 60 to 50% din te. Ayan. Sale na sale sila. Pati dito, 50% plus 25% sale sila. Ang daming sale, pati ano, polo. Ayan, naka-sale din ang polo. 50% off. Victoria's Secret. Sale din sila, Tio. Sale din sila. Yan o, dalawa daw yung ano, kukunin mo, dalawang hadiah. Ay, ang ganda dito. Sobrang ganda, oh, ayan. Suzan, Lucia. Ayan, oh, ang ganda. Christmas, Christmas. Susan, stand up beside with Lucia. Dali. Susan. Ang ganda. Hello. We are here in Sushi 34. Yeah, Ate? In Sushi 34 in Beylikdüzü. So, mga kabayan, kung nandito kayo sa Istanbul, pwede kayong pumunta dito. Pwede rin delivery. Sushi, ayan. Sushi 34. Ayan. So, magluto si Ate Milet ng ng fried rice daw. So, mamaya, magbibideo ulit. So, ayan, busy na naman si ate. Si Lara. Bu Abi. Si Abi, hi to my vlog.
Hi! Hi, vloggers!
Hi, vloggers. Ayan. Ano yan kay ate? Melay, kate? Ship Melay, Ay, promote ko yan mamaya. See you later. Ito, magli-lipstick naman tong anak ko. Tingnan mo naman, nanghihingi ng lipstick. Oh, magli-lipstick daw siya. So, tulog si Suzanlutfiye. Ayan, si ate. Nandito na yung order namin. Pansit. Ayan. Suzan, what are you doing? Ayan si Chef Melay Kitchen. Ayan. Masarap, promise. Sobrang sarap. So, ayan na si Chef Melay. Ayan. Ang nagluluto. Ayan. Masarap siya, promise. Ayan si Chef Suzan. Kami lang ang taga-kain.
I will work again.
What you will not work again? Turkish food, Turkish delights? What is that? Bone.
Bomb
Yan, mukbang, sweet mukbang.
Ikaw na nga mag-translate.
dog.
Ano yan? Bone. It's not the bone.
In
Bone.
her 4 years in Turkey, this is the first time somebody gave to her this Turkish delight. And some more, you are the first one to give to her.
Why? Abi haka, no?
You really pity, huh?
Evet. Evet.
Hindi. Tinitikman kasi alam ko hindi ko pa.
Yung ate, yumik bula-bula ako ya, ha?
Kapag pumunta ka dito, kahit yung mga kamag-anak na, kasi sapol ako na kapag may bisita ako, lahat ng pagkain. Kaya tuwan-tuwa magpunta dito yung mga kamag-anak mo.
Now you have to translate to me.
Yes.
Translate eh. Terjuma.
Everybody coming here, they want to come here because we are always
Giving
sometimes,
Offering food.
food or sometimes chicken bake. Even your relatives coming here. I don't want them to be hungry.
I
It's true.
guess you never be in touch with Turkish longer. If you be in,
It depends in Turkish, ask them.
darling,
Not all
Turkish are
Star.
famous for
Star.
responsibility. Sorry, hospitality.
I try.
Hi, si Jessica Su nag-interview.
You give me tea.
Take Abi.
You see, even him, he is at home.
Yeah, it must be ate.
You know our motto before?
Hmm.
You eat. And then later on, can you cook me some like this? He is telling me to cook, okay? Sorry. Siya parang bata ako siya sa amin.
Susan, what is that?
Masarap kaya yan. Masarap din to.
Is it a bone?
No, it's a little color.
Hmm.
Nabili pa kaya ako sa market. Parang masarap kaya yan. Ito ng Turkish talaga.
Ang ate sa Maxwell hindi masarap.
This is Turkish. This is not.
Hindi, madala akong
We take it from
Yeah, it's a cola.
Your debtor is 5 lira, I spent 75 lira.
What is that thing? What is that?
yummy candy. Ano, when I go home, I will buy this.
We will bring in Philippines day? We will bring in Philippines?
And there's a small piece, you know, there's a small pieces. Also same, but they got the small pieces.
Te, dati, nung nag-work ako sa Hair of Istanbul, yung mga pasyente namin, pag umuwi sa country nila, nagdadala ng baklava, mga Turkish delights.
Ano ba yung baklava?
Bring 2 plates of
Wala ba?
Parang ganito.
Hindi, iba. Yung basta
Narinig ko yung ka-Jessica sa baklava.
baklava. Masarap.
Just one left. One left, but you're not saying what I bought this morning. Yeah. I think go to your head then.
Don't open your eyes.
Like that. Don't make like big Abi.
I cannot catch it, huh?
I have to open my eye. I just bought.
See, he doesn't know. You must help me.
You must be careful what is in your stomach. All the time.
It's yummy thing? Yummy? Wow, what is this?
Wow.
This is bone.
Oh.
Maksul.
Are you eating
Abi,
bone?
this is maksul, not makbul.
What kind of bone is
One
that?
rice, two chicken wings.
Mabait pag walang tupak.
May size siya o small size, big size.
That's enough. Okay.
Kasi maki-ano ako yun, maki-water. Alam mo yun.
Star.
Iniisip na.
Green star. Is it yummy? Yummy. Very good. How about you, Susan? Did you enjoy the bone?
Alam mo na yung mga
Really? Let me see. Do you like it?
Tumatagal yung mga ano ano dito, nagawa ko.
Ano ate? Ano masasabi mo? Anong masasabi mo sa Sushi 34?
Sa sushi story.
You must find us in Google. You must see what our customers telling about us.
Ha? Meron sila te sa Google?
Yes.
Okay, I will try to check it out.
Wait.
Sushi 34.
Comments of our customers. Some more they are foreigners in different countries.
Oh.
I don't know that before.
Rice spicy.
I don't know that before since until one day somebody told me, she said, I found you in Google.
Google.
Oh really? How? What they said? They said like this, like this.
We are very famous in
They
Google.
said you are 5
Many
stars.
people watching.
Yeah, it's really like that, Abe. If it's like they have they just share it through internet, then your business will be boom. What she do? Ha? She make what did you do? Skeleton.
Yes.
Maybe we will find one more. There's one.
Huh?
Wow. Okay.
Maano nga siya sa
There is
arts?
one star. There is one star.
Okay, make a skeleton.
Put to start.
Okay, make a skeleton, ate. What's
There's
that?
One more.
One more bone.
It's a skeleton. I will take picture, Suzan.
Oh, this is injured. That's why this is red.
Oo nga na. Skeleton ano siya. Oo nga yung mga ano.
Di ba nga, ano nga yan siya sa arts nga yan si Suzanne.
Right? This is injured.
You know?
That's why it's red.
Huh?
This is talent.
Yes. She is.
Talent.
So how about what is this?
Make this imagination to make with this.
Yeah. Abi, you know our wall in the salon? Everything is drawing. And you know what she said to me? Mommy, come on. I will do painting in the salon. I will make house beautiful. So, when you saw my salon, Abi, you said, oh, what happened here? Everything, Abi. You know, she take a chair and do like that. She said she will make a painting.
He's Ian also, the room, he's making paint. And
Last
then
time
you
my
will see what she's professional painting.
nephew daughter, she wants to paint also, but the father
Get angry.
no,
Huh?
father is teacher.
Huh.
This wall belongs to you.
Let me...
This wall belongs to her.
Huh? The other one? No.
Paint are washable.
Huh, I see.
She said
Yeah.
you have to wash.
Then yeah, just only that part. Yeah, I'm planning to buy when Kenan arrive this February. I'm planning to ask him to buy like coloring materials, just washable. So it's now I try to clean it. Oh, it's my head. It's aching. I do like that. Time consuming. What you do, Susan?
You, 4 years already
Skeleton.
Somebody hit his head.
What happened?
4 years already you in Turkey. Oh.
Anong visa niya ngayon? Resident. So, gano'n ka siya, hanggang kailan ang visa niya?
2 years?
No, skeleton is not good.
Lutfia, try to make yours.
President.
Bawi na nga yan. Kailan?
Mayo. Kasi may problema yung
I thought you just
I don't like it, okay?
Hindi kaya muna ako ng ikargo dito.
Let me.
Yung ano niya nga nagkasira.
Wala naman problema, hindi naman niya cargo eh. Ikaw naman ang may cargo eh. Ikaw ang magtrabaho, huwag mo siyang ipisan doon. Di ba?
Kayo. So, andito na kami sa bahay. Pagkatapos namin kumain ka na kwentuhan, inom ng chai, tapos bumili ng sweets yung asawa ng kaibigan namin. Tapos, yun, after namin umuwi na kami. Naglakad lang kami galing doon sa Sushi 34. May Turkish na nakapag-asawa. Pilipinas siya nakapag-asawa ng Turkish. Tapos yan. So, andito na kami. Tapos dumaan kami kanina sa Maxul. Bumili din kami nito. Tapos, yun pa may mga binili pa din kaming iba. So, masarap naman siya kasi nagustuhan yung mga bata kaya bumili kami. So, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for watching. So, hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe, comment, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye!